Alrighty, YouTubers, here we go again. We have another special Amazon unboxing video. And they also do have a website, so I'll leave both links down below. I think this item is exclusive to their website, so if you like this item, what I'm about to show you, click on their link. And if you want to shop on Amazon, use my affiliate link, which is down below. Hopefully you guys had a good day. Everybody is safe. Here we go. This comes from BUGANi. This is their open air headphone. BUGANi free B10. Air conduction wireless headphones. AI technology. They have teamed up with Lamborghini. Everybody should know who they are. Well known in the exotic cars. Now they have teamed up with some exotic headphones. BUGANi got the AI emblem, open ear design, Bluetooth. Super cool package they come with. And I already opened it up. Easy video. And here we go. So definitely check them out. You get this. And there's an app to scan. So I'm going to show you guys how to do that in a second. And then you get the manual. And this manual. And this is what it came in with. Really nice packaging though. They did an excellent job with this. And also look at this. You get an air freshener. Lamborghini Automobile. SUR SUV. And on the back, got the string. I don't know what it smells like. But you don't see this at all. So this is pretty cool to get a Lamborghini air freshener, you know? Put that on eBay. But definitely check these guys out. And like I said, I'll go through the AI app. Wow. Ooh, it smells really good. Kind of like lemony. You can't smell it. Wow. Yeah, this smells good. Look at this rope. It's like a shoelace. And it's definitely like a lemony smell. Smells really good though. Kind of like a Pez, lemon Pez. Okay, so you get a USB cord to charge it. It's got enough juice right now. Now my fingers smell like that. And here are the headphones. Really nice case right here. I don't know why there's so much dust. Right there. BUGANi, Lamborghini. And there's where you plug it in to charge. Super lightweight. I mean, I already tested them out. They sound great for the music. And we're about to test out the AI. But it's easy to install. Well, look at these. Super comfortable around the earlobes. There we go. You can see it's flashing right there. It's charging. And here's the bottom. But yeah, definitely a nice pair to pick up. It could be your permanent one or your extra one you need. And now we're going to go to QR code. I gotta scan the app. They gotta have an app for it, you know. And QR code screen. QR. Bada boom. Open B10. Touch and hold, drag and move. And back. Search web. Oh no. Aha. This is QR. Air Dance app. That's what it's called. iOS and Android. And this is what it's going to look like. It's safe to click, safe to download, no viruses. There we go. Air Dance, over 5,000 downloads. So that's really good. So you know they're legit, verified. I don't want to claim nothing. And then there we go, easy, fast download. Now it's time to open. Man, that's strong. I can smell it. There we go. Save to download. Agree and enter. I gotta do this. Register. Okay, and that one. You gotta register. Just enter your email, password, and all that good stuff. Shouldn't take too long to register. Oh. Okay, here we go. We are in. So it's really easy. They got AI chat, earphone, free talk mode, translation mode. Whoa, translation mode. Okay. Next step. So I'll say talk to AI chat, free talk mode. So you can talk to each other.
今天是哪一天?
Whoa. Okay, here we go. We got everything. We are definitely good. Dual air. So yeah, you can have for like translation, you can have the other person have the other headset. Translation machine mode, headphone, voice notes. Okay, let's get into business. I could connect. I gotta make sure Bluetooth is on. And they're gonna be like BUGANi B10 should pull up. I think it's charged. It's flashing. It's gonna take a second. There's a lot of devices I have hooked up. I'm gonna pause it for a sec. And here they are, BUGANi free B10. Click on that. And we want to pair. So we are in pair mode. Now I'm gonna put these on. Make sure it's left and right. And left. But yeah, these are super comfortable around the earlobe. Super soft. There we go. We are connected. We are definitely in the future, guys. At least we are still here. Okay, we are both connected. Free talk. Please connect. Device first. Okay, guys. We are in. It's gonna ask you to link up. Once you scan that, you're gonna want to go here and scan the code, and then you're linked up. So now we are binded. Success. And now this would be cool. Hello, hello. Start. Click on the button. Allow. Hello. How are you today? Well, can you translate to the English? There we go. This is cool. Okay, yeah. See, then up here you can switch it from, say, German. Hello. Hello, how are you? Now it's English, German. Wow. Okay. Translation machine. This is cool, guys. It's a free service. English. Hello, how are you?
喂，你好吗?
How's it going today? Hello, how are you?
Hello, how are you?
How's it going?
How's it going?
Huh. Hello. Hello? Okay. We'll go to dual ear click mode. Hello. Oh, wow. Okay, so you're going to put one ear, then she could click, and you could click and talk. So that's really cool. This will help you a lot. Open. Hello. How are you? Huh. So we got that figured out. AI chat mode. Hello, chat. Hello. How can I assist you today? What's the weather today? What's the weather today? Aw. Checking a real level. Okay. Alright. I don't need that then. I think that's about it though. AI chat mode we talked, we showed, we demoed. So yeah, really user friendly. And I mean, it sounds really good too. Sorry for the long video, but definitely awesome pair of headphones in this new era of technology. Definitely check them out. Like I said, they have the Lamborghini ones, the ones I have right now in this video, on their website. But they have a similar model like this on Amazon also. So just click back and forth, see which one you like, and then you know, whatever you feel safe with shopping. So definitely click the link down below. You guys be safe. Have a good night.